Hi friend, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a cabin air filter for the 2016 Buick Envision. And as you can see right there, it's pretty easy. That is the portion of the glove box you can remove. I usually call that is the access door. And there it is, a cabin air filter. All you have to do is just push in those two tabs on the sides and pull the access door up. Then you're gonna see the cabin air filter right there. This one is a little bit tricky to remove the cabin air filter. As you can see right there, I am a little bit struggling with that, because once you push down the cabin air filter, then the two on the edge is pushed up, and that cabin air filter is very dirty. And I also working on this beta test right here, as this one is a chat assistant. So for example, if you have a code and you don't need to go to Google and search it, if you have a 300 code, all you have to do is just click on the P0300 and it's gonna show you the potential cost for the P0300. Very simple, quick and easy, so that is eliminate you from searching for the online. It's quick and easy, so please try it out and let me know if you have any question. The link is down in the description. All you have to do is click the link and it will show you how to download this program right here. Okay, time to install a new cabin air filter in. Look at that, it's night and day difference. And make sure you install the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter has the instruction. It's say arrow down or arrow up. It depends what kind of make and model that required. So in this case, for this Buick, all you have to do is installing the cabin air filter. The arrow pointing down. Do what is said on the cabin air filter. And at the same time, you also a little bit going to struggle. As you can see right there, I am struggling putting a new cabin air filter in. It's much easier if the glove box is fully down, but in this case you can't remove it fully from the glove box. So once you're done, you put your access door, access panel on the glove box in. And it's also a difficult when you put this one in also, because you have to put on all the 4 grooves on the bottom, so making sure that it's fully seated before you close and then you secure. And as you can see that, then once you've done that, then you put everything back to the glove box and you call it done. And as always, I will see you next time, and Luke is out.